Alright viewers, see it? Complete. It's already dish. Cornmeal porridge. Yes viewers, as you can see this morning, cornmeal porridge, trouble, you know. My, some dry coconut, tin milk, some vanilla, see all of my spices, my nothing I got my mixed spice. Yeah, cinnamon leaf, full 100. So I have a grate of my coconut, you know, and get things started. See that? Yes sir, cornmeal porridge this morning. Good look. Right, you see it. Coconut, grater, milk in the pot. So you can see my cinnamon leaf. Yes sir. Right, there's some throw a little salt tonight also. So now I'm gonna keep going boil up. Prepare my cornmeal right now, same speed. A quick fast, you know. I think this will take about 130 minutes. You see me? Quick and fast in the morning. Right, listen. Right, viewers, coconut milk boiling. So you know, say, a time for the cornmeal. Start the preparation already also. So we'll make you see what's going on. See it there? See it there? Up and running. Tip of liquor water, you know. Yes sir. Ready to go in a pot, you know. It's simple as that, you know. You throw your little cornmeal in a plate, you throw some water, you add your little salt, you spin it around, pot a boil up, just like that, you see me? Throw out it. You get your big spoon and you stir it like that. See that, viewers? Yes, you have to stir it so you don't thick up, you see me? Yeah. You feel it like it's too thick, you just add a little water to it, just like that. Do the right. So I do my cornmeal porridge. See there, little something there in there. Come from a nutmeg. You can see my cinnamon leaf, poppy night. Yeah. Proper. Cornmeal porridge preparation in the morning. That's what's on the menu for today. Cornmeal porridge cooked down in coconut milk. Yes sir. You know, say cornmeal, you can just have it if you want 15 minutes, 20 minutes max. You know? Yeah. Make it cook properly. Just like that. So 15 to 20 minutes. Breakfast complete right there. Yes sir, party out here without fear, I swear. See that? Steam out tight, cornmeal a bubble. Bubble. Trouble. That's a problem out here this morning. It's a good look, it's a lovely morning also. Giving thanks and praise, you know? As usual. Good look. Sunny morning also. See what me I talk about? To tell the friend now, we travel down in the day. Bird. Sign of rain that sign of rain, yeah. bird. Let us say, you know, far, you know. Zoom in our place. So, I tell you. What as I say? It's a sunny morning. Yeah. Alright, back in the parridge. Can't wait for you have a cup of this. Until you would see a bowl, a cup. Alright, viewers, see it there? Sweet me, can't sweet me, you know. Me fi tell you, you know. I tell you, say about 20 minutes and over right now with there. So I tell you, say it well cooking up, viewers. Put in me nutmeg and my spices. Trouble. Yes, sir. Breakfast, cornmeal porridge. This morning. That are joggings, that are settings. Problem. You see it there? Let me tell you, it land. Yeah. It land. So I'm going to use my tin milk. Sweeten it. Just like that. Throw in my milk. Yes, sir. I do the thing already. Trouble out here now. Cornmeal porridge breakfast. Yes. Quick and fast. See, turn out time for nutmeg. So we deal with it. Right, that's when come in and on, guys. You get your grater. Yeah, see it there? Nutmeg. Get your grater and just sort out your over your area. Alright, you add a little cinnamon spice, viewers. See that? So you spice it up, you know. Right inside vanilla. Now I go grate and nutmeg in it. The grate and nutmeg. See that? Grater. Yes, sir. After all of that, you just mix it around. Smell that nice fragrance blowing out. You know, see, ready for dish. Yeah. Quick and fast breakfast. No hesitation. See that? Trouble out here now. Dish me, I got dish now, you know, viewers. Yes, sir. Yes, see the viewers. Ship man. Ready for name. I drink. Alright, viewers. Some of this shimmy. Yeah. Alright, that's all. See that? Oi. Alright viewers, see it? Complete. Already dish. Cornmeal porridge. As you can see, we still have more in our pot also, you know, so you know the time. Right, that's so. See that? That's what the cornmeal porridge come right down to. So you share. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.